Welcome to TLH Patterns. This is Pradeepa. In today's video, we'll see how to crochet this beautiful open work scarf which measures 16 inches wide and the length is adjustable. I made it 68 inches long and you can make it as long as you want it to be. A return pattern is available in my blog, The Lazy Hobby Hopper. To make this scarf, you will need 820 yards of sport weight yarn and a G or a 4 mm crochet hook. Let's begin with a slip knot and then make 105 chains. After making the chains, work a double crochet in the 7th chain from the hook. Skip the first 6 chains and in the 7th chain, work a double crochet. Then chain 1. Now skip the next chain and work a double crochet in the next chain. You have 2 chain 1 spaces. Then chain 3, skip the next 3 chains and make a single crochet in the next chain. Again chain 3, skip 3 chains and make a double crochet in the next chain. Now let's start the repeats. Chain 1, skip next chain and work a double crochet in the next chain. Repeat this 2 more times. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, double crochet in the next chain. This is the first time, and second time chain 1, skip next chain and double crochet in the next chain. So you will have 3 chain 1 spaces. Then chain 3, skip 3 chains, single crochet in the next chain. Chain 3, skip 3 chains and double crochet in the next chain. Now let's start the repeats. We'll make 3 chain 1 spaces. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and make a double crochet in the next chain. This is your first chain 1 space. Once again chain 1, skip 1 chain and double crochet in the next chain. Again chain 1, skip 1 chain and double crochet in the next chain. So now you have 3 chain 1 spaces. Then chain 3, skip 3 chains and work a single crochet in the next chain. Chain 3, skip 3 chains and make a double crochet in the next chain. This will be followed by the 3 chain 1 spaces. Then chain 3, skip 3 chains and work a single crochet in the next chain. Chain 3, skip 3 chains and a double crochet in the next chain. Repeat the pattern across. This is how your first row looks. You will complete the row with 2 chain 1 spaces. So at the beginning and the end of the row, you will have 2 chain 1 spaces. We'll start the second row with chain 3. This will count as your first stitch. Now make a double crochet in the chain 1 space, double crochet in next stitch, double crochet in next chain 1 space, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, single crochet in next single crochet, chain 3. Now work 7 double crochets, 1 in each stitch and in each chain 1 space. So double crochet in next double crochet in chain 1 space, again double crochet in double crochet, double crochet in chain 1 space, again double crochet in next stitch, double crochet in next space, double crochet in next stitch. So you will have 7 double crochets. Chain 3, single crochet in next single crochet, chain 3 and work 7 double crochets, 1 in each stitch and 1 in each chain 1 space. Chain 3, single crochet in next single crochet, chain 3, then work 7 double crochets. Repeat this pattern across. Finally finish the row with 5 double crochets, each in the 2 chain 1 spaces and the 3 stitches. Next is row 3, chain 4. This will count as your first double crochet and chain 1 space. Now skip the next double crochet and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch and work a double crochet in the next stitch. You have 2 chain 1 spaces. Then chain 3, single crochet in single crochet, chain 3, double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and work a double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1, skip next stitch and double crochet in the next stitch, again chain 1, skip next stitch and double crochet in the next stitch. So you have 3 chain 1 spaces. Then chain 3, single crochet in next single crochet, again chain 3 and work double crochet in the next stitch and then work 3 chain 1 spaces. Repeat the pattern across. Finally, you'll finish the row with 2 chain 1 spaces. Start the next row with chain 3, which counts as the first stitch. Then work 1 double crochet in each space and 1 double crochet in each stitch up to the next chain 3 space. So you have 5 double crochets. Then make 7 chains. Skip the next 2 chain 3 spaces and work a double crochet in the next double crochet. Work double crochet in each chain 1 space and each stitch. You have made 7 double crochets. Now chain 7. Skip the 2 chain 3 spaces and then work 7 double crochets. Repeat this across. You will finish the row with 5 double crochets worked in the last chain 2 spaces. Start the next row with the chain 4. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, then chain 1, skip 1 stitch and double crochet in the next stitch. Then make chain 3, single crochet in the chain 7 space, chain 3 and then work 3 chain 1 spaces. Then chain 3, single crochet in next chain 7 space, chain 3, then 3 chain 1 spaces. Repeat the pattern across. You will repeat the last 4 rows until you reach the desired height. So row number 2, 3, 4 and 5 will be repeated.